Alright guys, so it's Sunday fun day. And we have to work. We got 3 calls for the property management companies, and we have one of our calls. You know, we had to get it because of the whole snow, you know what I mean? We weren't able to work Friday, so everything piled up. So hopefully we got easy calls on this Sunday because everything is closed. It's Sunday. It's the Lord's Day. It's church day. So hopefully everything goes smooth. 67, 68. Upstairs is probably in the attic, so I have to be in and out the attic.
That's fine.
Okay, cool. All right. All right, thank you. So the thermostat. So I hear it now. Ain't no light up here. Where the light at? Where the light at? Well, I heard it go out. Sound like we got a flame sensor issue. Hopefully it's an easy fix. I'm trying to look for the damn light. Now the unit is running. Check this out. It's funny. Check that flame sensor. The good thing is I saw what it did before I climbed up here. What an awkward way to put that sensor. We got that on there. I'm not playing. It's hanging in there, 0.9. Really wish I have 2 or 2.5. So, yeah, it's dirty. I will just try cleaning it. Okay. This sandpaper. Damn, guys, I forgot to take a picture. That's better. Yeah, that's better. So to change it, you just hold it, and then once it blink, it gives you the option.
Go to 60. In the morning, it'd be a 60.
Yeah.
night. It's freezing. We barely even sit down here. And I don't even know if that fireplace works.
Okay, so the issue is more so downstairs?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you just set it to 67. That's your preference?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Because it gets really hot upstairs.
Okay.
It gets hot. If I go any higher, we be nosebleeds.
Okay. So it was freezing downstairs, but when you would put it on a thermostat, it would meet the temperature? It wouldn't?
Up here, yes.
Up here?
It was warm. It would get hot. Sometimes it get too hot, so I have to crack the window.
Yeah, but you wouldn't know if it made it up here because ain't no thermostat up here.
Right.
So
but I mean, to fill it.
No, yeah. As far as filling it,
yeah,
that's the issue. Yeah. I don't think nothing wrong with the system, but I'll take a look at it, and then we'll see what we have to be done.
Because downstairs, I mean, if it blows through the vent, it ain't like up here.
Yeah. Okay.
I could go past it and just feel it.
Okay.
On my head, but downstairs, it ain't really touching.
Okay. All right. Let me see if. Hey guys, ain't nothing wrong with this system. It's just a bad design. So we'll suggest that they do a zoning, but we don't do that for them. We only do service for them because they don't like our install prices because we don't do dirty work. So we'll just go ahead and put what we found and let them take care of the rest. But looks like this is gonna be an easy call. We're at our third call. We got one more after this.
You know if it's electric or gas?
It's electric.
Okay, we figured.
So why you say it blue? You smell something?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't see no power here. Okay, if you don't mind, just show me that thermostat.
Right here. It's behind this door.
Okay, cool. Okay, so we'll check what's going on right now.
Okay.
How long has this been out?
The day before yesterday.
Okay, cool.
So it ain't too long.
Okay.
So we did hear it, and we did smell it.
Okay, you did smell it?
Yeah.
Oh, you heard something too?
She said she heard looked like a little something.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, check that out. Yeah, it probably blew the breaker and make sure I ain't got no power before I start touching it.
Okay.
And then probably have to go to your breaker panel.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, it still got power. That's crazy. Okay, cool. I don't know how it still got power. Okay, cool. I don't need to go to your breaker panel. I thought it didn't have power. Okay. So it should be off now. Okay. All right, let me go get my gloves. I'm kind of weird like that. That whole thing blown, boy. Crazy how I ain't tripped the breaker though. Cause the way this is, I thought it probably shorted out and tripped the breaker, but.
No, I want to reset it.
Oh, you went and reset it right now?
Not right now. I reset it yesterday, and this actually came back on.
Oh, okay.
For a little bit.
Okay.
I said a little, I mean like a few seconds.
Yeah.
And then it cut right back off.
Okay, so the breaker did trip then. Okay, cool. Yeah, you had to reset it, huh?
Mm-hmm. Did cut back on.
It probably let me see if it blew the fuse. No, it didn't blow the fuse. Yeah. So damn, this thing just. I wonder what a loose connection or something. Let me take a picture of this. So these low voltage wires, they're still good. I'm just gonna put some tape over them. We got power. And so let's put this thing. Yeah, 21 amps. Got 20 amps right here. Okay guys, unit is back up and working. Just wanted to show y'all. They don't even got the right thermostat on here. They don't got emergency heat. Alright, we got one more call. Gotta charge this light though.
Since 2019.
Oh, okay, okay. So 2019.
I have no idea what happened before December 2019 on this thing. That's where the capacitors are?
Yeah, this is, yeah. They usually got one that has both, but this one has two, so. Could have came like that, or they could have put another one. That noise ain't sounding too well. Alright, so it's showing 7, showing 7, and this is a 7.5, so the capacitor is good. Okay.
I could see some like steam coming off right here.
Okay.
So I guess
That's probably what was going on. And that ice buildup is definitely from that picture you showed me. It's not, nothing's occurring, so okay guys, so didn't record a lot. The customer was on me, but we tested the defrost cycle. The defrost cycle turns out good. The fan spins. I'm afraid that the fan he saw the defrost cycle occurring and he saw some ice right here. I thought it was a bunch of frost buildup, but he showed me a picture and it was just ice. I believe it's from all this leaking. So this is a non-emergency. So he's a cool dude, so I'm not gonna charge him the weekend service fee. Just charge him the standard fee that we charge.